Chime Credit Builder stops working for most users because the secured balance hasn't been moved into the Credit Builder account, or because the safer credit building feature is turned off, which blocks transactions even when money is available. By the end of this, you'll know why your Chime Credit Builder isn't working, how to check the exact cause inside the app, and the steps to fix it so your card starts processing payments again. The first thing to understand is how Chime Credit Builder actually works. It's not a traditional credit card. You move money from your Chime checking account into your Credit Builder secured account, and that balance becomes your spending limit. If that transfer hasn't happened, the card can show as declined even if you think funds are available. The most common issue is a missing or incomplete transfer. If your money is still sitting in your main Chime checking account, the Credit Builder card won't use it. You need to open the app, go to Credit Builder, and confirm that funds were actually moved into the secured balance. Without that step, transactions will fail. The next issue is the safer credit building setting. When it's enabled, Chime automatically covers your transactions using your secured balance. And it can block spending if the system detects mismatched balances or pending transfers. If this feature is toggled off or not syncing correctly, your card may decline even when funds are technically available. Another common problem is pending transactions. Credit Builder doesn't always update instantly. If you recently moved money or made a purchase, the system may still be processing it. During that time, new purchases can be temporarily blocked until everything settles. There are also basic issues like expired cards, incorrect merchant settings, or the card being locked inside the app. These are less common, but they still prevent transactions from going through. Checking the card status inside the Chime app usually confirms if it's active or restricted. The fix depends on the cause, but the fastest steps are simple. First, confirm your funds are in the Credit Builder secured account. Second, check that safer credit building is enabled and syncing properly. Third, wait for any pending transfers to clear before trying again. If everything looks correct, locking and unlocking the card inside the app can reset failed transaction states. To sum it up, most issues come from missing fund transfers, syncing delays, or settings inside the app. The practical next step is to open Credit Builder, verify your secured balance, and refresh your card status. That resolves the majority of failed payment issues. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple fixes for credit building cards and banking apps.